Pay close attention. The cable is stuck in the pipe. Don't pull it by force. Just grab the cable loop, bend it slightly, then slide it under the pipe like this. Insert the plug head into the cable opening, then pull it out. And done. Super easy, right? Subscribe for more useful tricks. Turns out we've been using zip ties the wrong way. Rolling it like this is not very effective. The correct way is like this. First, twist it like a rope, then follow the pipe threads, and this method is proven to be much stronger. What do you think? Comment below. It turns out that a broken pipe stuck inside a joint can be fixed easily using simple tools around us. Watch this video and don't forget to like. Turns out, this is the right way to install a cable into an electrical terminal so it's safe and not easy to short circuit. This type of installation is not recommended. Watch closely. First, strip the outer insulation of the cable. Then strip the lower part, but don't remove it. Just slide it to the end like this. Now connect the cable. This installation is much safer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stuck faucet? Skip the wrench. Use a rope, twist it, and it's open. Stop. This wire connection is wrong. A lot of people still do this. The right way? Wrap the wire backwards first, then twist it around the other wire like this. Now it's strong, secure, and won't come loose. Leaky hose? Don't rush to replace it. And don't just wrap it with tape. That's wrong. The right way, cut out the damaged section first, then peel the inner layer like this and slide it back inside the hose. Press it until it's tight and secure. Finally, wrap the outside with tape for extra strength. And done. No leaks, simple, and long-lasting. This pipe joint was glued permanently, but watch this. First, cut the joint you want to replace. Then, apply PVC glue around the inside and heat it carefully to soften the glue inside the pipe. Do the same on the other side. Now use pliers to pull the old fitting out. Sand the pipe, apply PVC cement, and install the new fitting. Clean, strong, and no need to replace the whole pipe.